What is up, guys? I'm the Motorcycle Mick, and today is a great day because the Heritage is back. Like I said, when I got my bike back, I had all these parts I ordered. We are actually going to be installing. Well, today is that day, and I'm super excited. Let's take a look at the parts. As you can see, we got the mirrors, the levers, my phone, for some reason, SD card, vaporizer, you know, just adding stuff on there. But there's also another part we're installing. When they put the engine guard back on my bike, A, they didn't install the hard lowers, and B, my highway pegs are missing, which are in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install these parts on here and take you guys along for the ride. Hope you enjoy. So the first step is we gotta get the mirrors and then my hand shields on here. If you guys like those, put a link in the description below for them, and the levers. So once we get those off, we'll be good. So I'll see you in a couple minutes once I get them off. It should be noted that this is a 1/2 inch. That's what gets your mirror off, just so you know. So you can see right here, I got the mirrors out, so it freed it up. Got the top cover taken off. Then I removed the top brake screw and then just loosened the bottom one. Loosened the bottom one right here. So I removed that, loosened that, and after that, lever comes right on out. This is the last time this bike will have chrome levers on it. Then to reinstall it, just do it the opposite way. So guys, you can see I got one on, looks nice, works good. You can see how that black changes the way the bike looks. Now I gotta get started on the second side, which is my clutch side. We'll see how fun that is. Supposedly it's easier. We'll find out. You see I got the mirrors off of this and the handguard. I got the little pin out of this. We're just gonna lift it up, then bring out the lever. So I know it might be a little bit hard to see, but right there is my clutch tensioner. Unlike the old ones where it's a screw, these are now just a little pop off. Your clutch is free. Could be noted that those are on the bottom. They're intentional so that it doesn't have as much slack. As always, guys, always remember to lubricate your parts, especially these being plastic. It likes to wear easily, so make sure there's some lubrication. As you can see, they're on now. Now putting the mirrors on this beast is actually quite simple. I already showed you take them off, but I'll put them on camera. Why not? As you guys can see, putting on levers and mirrors isn't really that hard. It takes about an hour. My first time doing it on the Heritage, so I really do like the black mirrors on it. It gives that nice new touch. Good deal. The last thing I gotta put on, guys, is my highway pegs. These are quite simple. All it is basically a clamp that goes around the engine guard, and setting it is a matter of just having someone there to help you. Just pick the right place where you want them, and make personally, I like mine perfectly where I can put them right off my floorboards onto my highway pegs. That's just me. I'll get back to you guys once these are on. Alright guys, so the highway pegs are on. Got the new mirrors, new black levers, and I got everything put back together. So my bike is officially put back together. The next video I'm gonna do is a walk around on this bike. Betty is one of my favorites, if not the favorite, and so you guys can see the exhaust, hear the exhaust, see all the stuff about her. We can go for a ride, and I think you guys will thoroughly enjoy that video. But for now, that's all I have today. Just installing my new parts, letting you guys see them, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to be notified first when I upload videos. I hope you all take it easy, and remember, always ride for freedom.